Well, I've been working now about 2 hours, and I've cut a road, and I'll show you that shortly. But wouldn't you know it, the first time I go to use my backhoe, I can't release the swing lock for the boom, and it won't go out, it won't go left, it won't go right. Anyway, I've got to call in. What are you gonna do? It's a warranty thing, I guess. But anyway, I got a lot of done here. I'm cutting a road to make a path to build a pad for a well, and it's got to be somewhat level. So I'll show you what I've got done here. So I've cut this little path. Here's the front gate, and this is about 10-15 feet, and it was just a rolling hill all the way to it. So I moved quite a bit of dirt here and smoothed it out as best I can, but I still got a lot more work. Boy, I really give these guys a lot of credit. The artwork that's in the operation of a tractor, it's pretty darn special, and I'm just happy to be able to be participating in it. It's a lot of fun. You've got hiccups along the way, whether it be a new car or a new tractor. They're not all perfect, and sometimes they need some tweaks. But anyway, that's kind of what I'm up against. So I was stuck with the loader today, the loader of the forks. Can't use my my PTO, and that's kind of frustrating. But just to kind of give you a look, here's a little hill. There's our beautiful oak tree right up on top, and there's a tractor up there. The LS mt347. Hooah! It lifts some weight. It moves some dirt. I'm just I'm barely touching on it. I'm almost scared to do anything because of something just like this. So I'll fill you in when I get it, and we'll kind of take it from there.